Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Opi Pearl is probably one of the most transformative nail products you can add to your collection, effortlessly elevating any manicure from ordinary to extraordinary with its stunning, iridescent chrome finish that catches the light beautifully, promising salon-quality results right from the comfort of your home and making every nail a statement piece. Number 5. Born Pretty Chrome Nail Powder Kit. Introducing the Born Pretty Chrome Nail Powder Kit. This collection brings you 4 stunning effects to transform your nails. Discover the magic of pearl, mirror, holographic, and chameleon finishes. Experience a higher glossy finish than ever before. These powders deliver an exceptional, vibrant effect. Watch as your nails catch every light with brilliant color. No special skills? No problem. Applying them is incredibly simple. Just follow the easy instructions, and you'll achieve salon-quality nails at home. Whether you prefer UV gel polish or traditional nail polish, they work beautifully. Experiment with different base colors to unlock a spectrum of unique looks. The possibilities are endless. Each package contains 4 exquisite nail powder pigments. You'll receive white pearl chrome, mirror, holographic glitter, and chameleon chrome. Everything you need for diverse nail art creations. We stand by the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns about your order, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like? This kit offers a stunning variety of effects, from pearl to holographic. If you're looking for diverse looks with an easy application process, this is a fantastic choice. Its higher glossy finish ensures your nails truly stand out. What people say? No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 4. Allstarry Chrome Nail Powder Kit. This kit creates a stunning Aurora chrome effect. Different base coat colors yield unique results, perfect for various styles like pearl, mermaid, or mirror nails. You can create your unique nail art with it. The new transparent jars make color recognition easy. They also come with a holder and a small box for convenient organization and portability. Its powder boasts an ultra-fine texture, free of particles, and offers an attractive luster. It's also non-toxic, harmless, durable, vegan, and cruelty-free. This set includes 4 Aurora glitter colors, also achieving a mirror pigment effect. You can apply it on UV gel, acrylic, or natural nails, and even mix it into gel polish. It's a multifunctional dye for all your seasonal nail art. It adheres perfectly to nails with a no-wipe top coat, making salon-quality chrome results easily achievable. Detailed steps and tips are provided to guide you. Each package contains 4 jars of manicure pigment in distinct colors and 4 eyeshadow sticks. Just a small amount of it is needed to create an amazing effect, covering over 100 nails. What we like? Experience an amazing Aurora chrome effect with this pigment. Its ultra-fine texture ensures a smooth, particle-free application for a flawless finish. If you desire a captivating, iridescent glow and appreciate thoughtful packaging, this one is for you. What people say? Number 3. Pretty Diva Mermaid Chrome Nail Powder. Each jar provides a generous amount of this high-quality powder. A small touch is all it takes to create an elegant look that will make you stand out. Discover a rich variety of dazzling and vibrant colors. They will make your nails shine uniquely, creating stunning mermaid, neon, or aurora effects. One jar offers incredible value, allowing for 25 to 30 full manicures. Whether at home or in a salon, only a tiny amount of this ultra-fine powder is needed for a stunning result. Achieving an amazing mermaid aurora finish is simple. Just rub it onto gel-polished, UV LED-cured nails, ensuring a Pretty Diva no-wipe top coat is applied first. Experience diverse effects by simply changing your base gel. Apply it over dark gels for a green sunset chameleon look, or over light gels for a white iridescent mermaid finish. This imported, salon-grade pigment is finely ground, offering superior sheerness and richer color. It provides a perfect iridescent effect, elevating your nail art. What we like? You'll get a generous amount of this salon-grade pigment, ensuring many manicures from a single jar. It offers a rich variety of colors to create stunning mermaid and aurora effects. If you value professional quality and long-term use, this product is an excellent investment. What people say? Number 2. Pretty Diva Aurora Chrome Nail Powder. Discover the secret to mesmerizing manicures with this high-quality powder. Each package provides ample capacity for long-term use, ensuring you're always ready to look your best. It comes complete with applicators and instructions. Experience professional results with this imported, salon-grade pigment. It's finely ground, offering a sheerer finish and richer color than other powders. A vibrant rainbow of colors awaits to create the perfect iridescent effect. Achieve up to 30 full manicures from just one jar. This ultra-fine powder requires only a tiny amount to deliver a stunning effect, making it incredibly long-lasting and cost-effective. You'll save more with every use. Transforming your nails into a Mermaid Aurora finish is incredibly simple. Just a gentle rub with the powder over gel-polished and UV LED-cured nails is all it takes. This set is perfect for beginners, with clear instructions to guide you. Explore a spectrum of looks with this versatile powder. Apply it over dark base gels for a green-yellow chameleon effect, or over light bases for a white iridescent mermaid shimmer. For the exact look in our images, use it over a clear pink gel base. What we like? Achieve a salon-grade finish with this fine-grinded pigment, perfect for creating unique multi-chrome effects. It's incredibly easy to apply, even for beginners, ensuring beautiful results every time. If you're new to chrome powders and want a high-quality, user-friendly option, this is ideal. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 1. Opi Nail Lacquer Classic Nail Polish. Discover a range of classic nail polish colors. These shades offer a timeless elegance for any occasion. Explore sophisticated nude and brown shades. They provide a versatile and chic look for every style. Choose from stunning creme, shimmering, and glitter finishes. Each one adds a unique touch to your manicure. Enjoy a manicure that lasts. This formula is designed to be chip-resistant, keeping your nails looking perfect longer. Experience a fast-drying and streak-free application. It ensures a smooth, professional-looking finish every time. What we like? This classic lacquer offers timeless colors with a reliable, chip-resistant formula. It dries quickly, making it perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or busy schedules. If you prefer traditional, dependable nail polish with a streak-free finish, this is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.